Welcome to my channel. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Your Viroko channel. Hi guys, welcome to Viroko channel. You're welcome. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Thank you so much. I want to thank you guys. For those of you that keep coming back to watch my videos, thank you so much. God bless you. If today is the first day you're coming to my channel by chance or somebody shared this video with you, here I prepare my personal recipes that I prepare in my home. I share with anyone that is interested. If you love what I do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. That's where you see whenever I upload my videos. And on this channel I also share my personal home remedies. Today I'll be preparing spiced oven grilled chicken. I've been craving for this, and my family, they love how I prepare my grilled chicken. So I'll be spicing them overnight and I'll prepare it tomorrow morning, or tomorrow afternoon rather, when I come back from work. Yeah, so this is normally what I do. I cut the chickens. I have already cut these ones. I've cut them into small pieces. Cut them into small pieces like so. Small pieces, you cut them as you want. And then I prepare my spices. I'm still cutting these ones. I'm going to show you guys how I cut. You have to have a good knife. If you are not good in cutting, you can tell your butcher where you get your chicken to cut them for you. Actually, this was in the freezer, so I did not have time to cut it before because I had other things to do. I'm cutting it now. I cut them into small pieces like so, and then I'll be spicing them properly. Keep them away in my fridge overnight to prepare tomorrow. This is the last one. So this is what you do. I prefer to cut them into small pieces, and then I'll put them on the grill tomorrow. Give this a try, you will love it. You will love it. Meanwhile, I'm going to be showing you guys what I have here. Here I have my ginger. I'm going to be adding ginger. Here I have my curry powder. Any seasoning of your choice, chicken seasoning, any one of your choice, whatever. This is my seasoning, mixed spice seasoning. This is parsley, garlic, flakes of onions, and here I have my white pepper. Okay, I'm going to be using this to spice it. So what I do is I just mix them together like so. Yes, like that. Now I take my chicken. I take them like so, and I start to put in my spices like so. Yes, okay. As I put in my chicken, I put in my spices. Okay, so that I'll be able to spice them evenly. I'm going to be adding salt, but just a little, not too much salt, since I already have some seasoning. I don't want to over salt it. It's so easy, but it's so delicious. You guys should give it a try. It is better you prepare your own home-made spiced chicken than the one you have outside. I'm going to be adding some salt. Add salt according to your taste. I add salt and then I mix properly. Yes, I mix properly. I leave it overnight. Why I leave it overnight is because the chicken will absorb all the spices. It will absorb it well. So now I'm going to be adding my oil. Put oil. Put some oil. Don't put too much oil. Put oil according to how you normally prepare, because there are some people that don't like oil. So I'm going to be putting oil because I'm grilling it. So that is it. It should be about 3 tablespoons of oil, I think. I don't know. So when you put oil, you now start to massage it inside the chicken. I'm not going to put them in this bowl because this one is going inside the fridge. I'm going to put them inside here like so. So after I put in all my chicken here, I'm going to be putting my film on top, since I'll be leaving it in my fridge overnight. I'll put the film on top. You can put whatever you like on top of your own. This is how I do mine. I'm going to cover it like so that tomorrow it will be ready. And then I'll on the oven and put my chicken. So guys, when I'm about to put it tomorrow, you guys will see what I'm going to do. Okay, thank you. Yesterday night, I showed you guys the chicken that I conserved in the fridge overnight. So this is the chicken. Yeah. So I left it overnight, and now I'm going to be putting them in sticks. I have already on my oven. I will be grilling them in the oven. If you guys don't want to grill your own, it is not a problem. It is optional. I will be grilling it today in the oven. You guys can fry it in your pan, wherever. I will start by putting them into sticks. I have already oiled my stick. Tissue paper, you put oil in your stick. You oil your grill as well. You oil it. Okay. Put them one by one into sticks. When you are done, put them in the oven. So this is what I will be doing because it's easier for me to turn them like so. You can also put them on the grill like that, but today I'm preparing it like so. Guys, so I have finished putting them in sticks. As I said, I have put them in sticks like so. I'm now going to put them in the oven. My oven, I timed it for 15 minutes before the time. You always time your oven 15 minutes before the time. Yes. And I put it in 170 gas mark. 170, 180, depending on the stove you are using. Put it like so in the oven. Make sure you arrange your sticks well in case you are using sticks. If you don't want to use your suya sticks, you can as well put them on your grill like that. And then under you have this that you line with your aluminium, okay? So that the oil drips under, it does not go directly into your oven. And there's another thing I'm going to show you guys. You have to have your water always when you are using the oven, like so that your meat does not get too dry. Okay, so I'm going to be grilling this for about 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to be timing it. I will time it for the first 30 minutes to control it. I'll control it with you guys. Guys, as you can see, this is the first 15 minutes of the grilling, and I want to show you how it is. So this is the chicken. Look at the broth that came out of it. Look at it. First 15 minutes. So we're going to be leaving it for another 15 minutes. If not, about 20 minutes to go, guys. In all, it should be about 40 minutes. Yes. Okay. My oven has run and I'm about to bring it out now. I believe it is ready. Yes. Our chicken is ready. It's okay like so. So I'm going to bring it out now to show you guys. It's about 40 minutes. Yes, 40 minutes you need for this. So this is the chicken. This is how it looks like, you see. I'm going to garnish it now. So this is the chicken. So you garnish it with whatever you want. I have some onions here. So I'm going to be using some onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, and what have you. So I have come to the end of another video today. I hope you guys love what I do. Please share my video, share. If today is the first day you are coming to my channel, you love what I do. If you have learned something, please do me a favor if you have not subscribed by subscribing to my channel. I have come to the end of my spiced grilled chicken in the oven. I believe you love it. Give it a try. If you have any comments about this, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much. Yes, from Viroko channel to you, it's bye till I see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.